Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Let's learn with Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is a famous football player.
Cristiano Ronaldo is a famous football player.
He was born in Portugal.
He was born in Portugal.
Ronaldo plays as a forward.
Ronaldo plays as a forward.
He has won multiple Ballon d'Or awards.
He has won multiple Ballon d'Or awards.
Ronaldo is known for his incredible speed.
Ronaldo is known for his incredible speed.
He has a powerful shot.
He has a powerful shot.
Ronaldo is a skilled dribbler.
Ronaldo is a skilled dribbler.
He has played for Manchester United.
He has played for Manchester United.
He also played for Real Madrid.
He also played for Real Madrid.
Ronaldo has a strong work ethic.
Ronaldo has a strong work ethic.
He is a dedicated athlete.
He is a dedicated athlete.
Ronaldo has many fans around the world.
Ronaldo has many fans around the world.
He is a role model for many young players.
He is a role model for many young players.
Ronaldo is known for his fitness.
Ronaldo is known for his fitness.
He practices regularly.
He practices regularly.
Ronaldo has a talent for scoring goals.
Ronaldo has a talent for scoring goals.
He is a team player.
He is a team player.
Ronaldo has a charity foundation.
Ronaldo has a charity foundation.
He often donates to various causes.
He often donates to various causes.
Ronaldo has a strong presence on social media.
Ronaldo has a strong presence on social media.
He shares his training routines online.
He shares his training routines online.
Ronaldo has a collection of luxury cars.
Ronaldo has a collection of luxury cars.
He enjoys spending time with his family.
He enjoys spending time with his family.
Ronaldo has several children.
Ronaldo has several children.
He is often seen as a global icon.
He is often seen as a global icon.
Ronaldo has played in several World Cups.
Ronaldo has played in several World Cups.
He has scored many international goals.
He has scored many international goals.
Ronaldo is known for his famous celebration.
Ronaldo is known for his famous celebration.
He has faced many challenges in his career.
He has faced many challenges in his career.
Ronaldo is always looking to improve.
Ronaldo is always looking to improve.
He has a great sense of style.
He has a great sense of style.
Ronaldo has appeared in commercials.
Ronaldo has appeared in commercials.
He has a successful brand.
He has a successful brand.
Ronaldo is passionate about football.
Ronaldo is passionate about football.
He inspires many with his story.
He inspires many with his story.
Ronaldo has a competitive spirit.
Ronaldo has a competitive spirit.
He has played in different leagues.
He has played in different leagues.
Ronaldo is a leader on the field.
Ronaldo is a leader on the field.
He trains hard to stay at the top.
He trains hard to stay at the top.
Ronaldo's work has been recognized globally.
Ronaldo's work has been recognized globally.
He enjoys traveling for matches.
He enjoys traveling for matches.
Ronaldo has a unique playing style.
Ronaldo has a unique playing style.
He is often compared to other great players.
He is often compared to other great players.
Ronaldo has set many records in football.
Ronaldo has set many records in football.
He is respected by his peers.
He is respected by his peers.
Ronaldo continues to break barriers.
Ronaldo continues to break barriers.
He is a true sportsman.
He is a true sportsman.
Ronaldo loves the game.
Ronaldo loves the game.
He aims to inspire the next generation.
He aims to inspire the next generation.
Ronaldo's legacy will last forever.
Ronaldo's legacy will last forever. Thanks for watching.